This is a solo how-to for the Woogie by Wycliffe Gordon. I'm going to be working on this in 3 sections. The first section I'm going to address is the trombone solo that happens first. In this iReal Pro sheet, also notice that you have specific keys pertaining to your chords. So this is the concert key, but these are all in different keys. So when it's the trumpet solo, you need to make sure that you switch and find G major, and these will be the chords that you'll have to work off of. And you're also going to want to make sure that your preferences are set for your instrument. I play piano, so it's set to C. But if I play trumpet, saxophone, or soprano sax, it'd be B flat, etc. Now, talking about this tune, if you haven't noticed already, this tune is a blues. It's a modified blues, it's a jazzed up blues, but it's still a 12-bar blues that has a really repetitive form. So let's look at that first and try to find the blues, shall we? We have our 1 chord, because this is E flat, and E flats are 1. So we have 1, 7. Then we go to A. E, F, G, A. That's up 4. So we have E. Then we have this nice little motion going up a half step. Then to B, which is our 5, but notice what happens. We have a B minor to an E7 to an A. If we look, B to E is a 4th up, then E to A is a 4th up or a 5th down. So this is actually, this is a 2, 5, 1. And I would use Roman numerals, but it's really difficult with this little pen. But that is definitely a 2, 5, 1. So that means that during these 3 chords, you're going to be playing in the key of A, if you want. So let's go back to the beginning. So, notes-wise, you could use an E flat blues. So that would work. This is kind of how it could sound, I guess. Say, let me see. You could do something like that. Then we have our 2, 5, 1. Go to our, this is our 4, then we go back to our 1, just like the blues form. Then we have another 2, 5. We have a minor 7 to a dominant 7, and it's G to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. But this time it's a non-resolving 2, 5. We go to F. We go a minor 7 to a dominant 7, and it's up a 4th. Then we go to our 1, which is a dominant 7. So we have a 2, 5. Just a moment. We have 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5. So this is non-resolving 2, 5. This 2, 5 resolves. And then we have a fun turnaround here. So again, chord-wise, we have 1, 4, going up a half step, 2, 5, to A, to our 4, back to our 1, 7, then our 2, 5, to our new 2, 5, to our 1. Then we have a 1, 6, 2, 5. 6, but this time it's minor. So you can really mess around with the E flat blues on this, of course, but there are also lots of options to play the 2, 5's keys. And again, when you play a 2, 5, this 2, 5 here, this implies the key of A flat. So you can just start playing on A flat here. When you have this 2, 5 G to C, but it doesn't resolve, you would still play in the key of F for this measure. For this one, you would play in the key of E flat because it's resolving to E flat. And even if it didn't, this F minor 7 to B flat 7 wants to resolve to E. So that's why we play in the implied resolution key, E flat. We have 1, 6, 2, 5, and then it starts again. Hope this is helpful and happy practicing.